Hello and welcome. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to compile, build and view a LaTeX document using the TeXstudio LaTeX editor. I will begin by creating a very simple document, a LaTeX document, to display hello world, and then I will compile and build and view that document. So underneath the file menu, I'm going to click the plus symbol to create a new document. So I'm going to type document class to choose my class. I'm going to use article and then simply begin document. There we go, and it'll automatically type end document. And in my content, I type hello world. This is a test. Very good, that's my document. So I'm going to save my document. I'm going to choose the name, for simplicity, why not call it test1? It'll save it as test1.tech. Excellent. Now to compile the document, there are several options. One, I can select tools from the menu bar and choose compile, which has the shortcut F6. So I'm going to click that there, and you can see the bottom window opens up and it shows that it's compiled the document and it's compiled successfully. Just be aware, this is a lovely way also to check that your underlying LaTeX installation is installed correctly and TeXstudio can use it. So that's a very good way, a quick way to find out whether your LaTeX installation works. Great. So we've now compiled the document. To view the document, we can select from the menu bar Tools and View, which has the shortcut F7. So I'm going to click that now, and it'll open up the document on the right-hand side. The text is quite small, so you can zoom in and actually see what's written there, and also you can increase the size down here. Great. Okay. That's really all I want to show you. But one more thing, just be aware, if you're watching this video, you're most likely a beginner in LaTeX. So it's quite common that you'll have errors. So I'm going to purposely put in an error here, and I'm going to save that and attempt to compile it. And I'm going to compile using the shortcut on the menu bar, which is a single green arrow, and you can see the tooltip there, compile. Click that, and there my errors appear in the log at the bottom. Okay, so it's typical that you'll have hundreds of errors. Don't worry about them, you just have to work through them, and you'll learn through experience. Now, you might say, how will I find out what a particular error means? Good question. Lots of resources are available online, but one particular resource is the website tech.stackexchange.com. If you search that website, invariably every error you encounter will most likely have been posted there as a question with the resolution available. Lastly, if you're interested in finding out more about TeXstudio, there's a fantastic user manual online. You can look it up. So in summary, to compile and build and view, the first step is you write your documents and then you click compile here. And I have a typo there, I beg your pardon. So let me fix that. Save, of course it's in red, I should have spotted that. Click compile and it's compiled successfully. So when you see process exited normally, you know it's compiled successfully. And lastly, only after first compiling, I recommend click build and view, and then it'll display the document. Thank you very much. That's all I want to show you.